After a quick car change to our incredible outfits, we're heading now to the photo location, which is right there. It's a beautiful crane. And so the theme of this shoot is construction work. And I have a whole bunch of props waiting for us at the crane. So the stairs lead to a little platform here. So we kind of can use the crane as a backdrop here while having some distance from the people downstairs, because we are shooting in public. That's always a bit exciting, I would call it. Construction helmet. Construction gloves. Let's try out the two glasses to see which ones are the best. Which ones do you prefer?
I don't know. Orange is no black, right?
Well, okay, let's do orange. Decided.
Okay,
Also have some tools.
let's do some work.
Yeah. Let's add a little bit of sexiness to it. Just a little bit. And take some photos. Okay, let me grab my camera. Yes.
Under. I think so. Okay.
Awesome job, Thea. Give me a high five. Yeah, we did it. So first of all, it was a pretty frisky day, mostly for you, I'm afraid. And also there was way more people here than expected. So that's always an added layer of excitement, let's call it, in the most positive words. And conclusion, yeah, we were able to shoot all of the creative, cool stuff that I had in mind with construction work as a theme. So really, really cool. Very happy that we managed to shoot all these awesome photos. And especially at the very end, I was able to shoot with my wide angle, a shot in the style of Ken Lichtenwalter. He's this New York photographer that I've been following for a long time. So that's like a very wide angle shot in a very, what you call, eccentric pose, and indeed a very eccentric pose, but it does give this kind of wow effect, something you haven't seen before. So thanks Ken for the inspiration, and thank you mostly for all of the beautiful photos we made.
My pleasure.
Yeah, I think that was it for this theme, this shoot. See you guys on the next one. JC and
Thea.
Thea out. Scoot, scoot.